Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of French style scrambled egg. Especially we are making it in one pot. I have 2 tablespoons of butter for 4 eggs. So we break the eggs in the pan itself and 1 tablespoon of water, about 1 tablespoon of cream, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I want to start the burner now. Now I'm going to whisk all of this in the pan itself and cook it in the same pan. So this is something you can just whip up within few minutes on any weekday. As it starts cooking, it will start setting on the sides, so you want to use a soft spatula to bring all of these sides inside so that the liquid egg goes to the outside and starts cooking, which is what you want to follow. Now I've added some cheese into this, about a tablespoon or 2. I'm using A2 cow's milk cheese. You can use a cheddar cheese, which would taste very good in this. Switch off the gas and the cheese is going to warm up and melt with the heat of the eggs itself. And it's ready within minutes. Look at it. Share the recipe with your friends and family. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. Bye.